Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. It is a nice sunny but super cold day outside today. It's about 10 degrees before the wind chill. So I have received a bunch of parts for my Road Glide Special, and I've been planning this install day for a little while, but let's see how many of them I can actually get installed today before I can't feel my hands anymore. Alright, so let's take a look at what I'm going to be installing today. Alright guys, so here are some of the parts that I think I should be able to get done fairly quickly today. And they are a Kahuna derby cover in chrome, a timer cover from Kahuna as well, collection, a Defiance collection shifter peg, a chrome nut covers for the front axle, a fuel cap, a shorty antenna, and a low profile mirrors. Alright guys, let's do quick and easy things first. Let's do a short antenna. I like the low profile of this short antenna. Hopefully the signal is going to be pretty decent. I'll let you know guys once I try it out. But it's definitely nicer with a lower profile, and I don't keep hitting myself every time I walk by the back of the bike. Alright, next up, super easy, a timer cover. Next up, axle nut covers. Alright, now let's quickly put on a new fuel cap. Okay, so next up, and the last piece for today, is the derby cover. What I did is I put a jack under the bike to straighten it out, to minimize any oil leak that will come out once I remove the derby cover. Okay, so the derby cover is removed. There is no oil leak, which is exactly what I was going for. Just a little bit of a oil seepage right here. Go ahead and take a dry rag, just clean it out, because there's a rubber seal that keeps this thing nice and tight. Alright, before you install the new... So that will do it for today for the accessories part 1 install on my Road Glide Special. Unfortunately, that is all I can do today due to the just the nature of the weather. I can't even wipe down the parts properly because the detailer just turns into ice right away. So do stay tuned for part 2. I do have a few more things that I'm going to install on the bike. As always, if this video was useful to some of you, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys soon. Take care.